meeting people who have similar interests and want to experience the exact same things. And really from a cultural, that's what made this trip really unique, was that Audrey put something together that drove from the cultural standpoint, the experiences, whether it was the grappa, whether it was the mosaic school, whether it was all the food experiences we had, she provided a wide range of all cultural experiences we would never have been able to do on our own. The other thing that I thought that was important for this trip was that it was always going to be a small group. And because it was only a small group, it was so, she always allowed us to, what else do you want to do? Or how about if we do this, that, or the other thing? And that was individual for us, and a small group made it that much more special, as opposed to a bigger group where you're going to go on their time, you're going to go on what they want to do, etc. Very customizable, number one, and then each day, the timing. The timing. When do you want to leave? Okay, well, is this comfortable for you? That's what really made it exceptional.
And we have always traveled on our own. We've never used a group, So we were a little bit apprehensive. How will it be, But it was fabulous from the moment we connected, and the fact too that it was going to rain one day, and then Audrey flipped it so that we could experience the Alps on a sunny day. I really appreciated that. I was in the travel business for many years, and I know, the attention to detail is everything, and it's been wonderful, yeah.
We had a great time traveling with other people. It was a small group, people we didn't know, but we all had a similar interest in exploring this region, and we feel like we've made new friends, and it was a great time. It was wonderful to do a pre-tour for a few days on our own, and then to move into a small group where it's not so many people that you can't hear other people talking, and we had a chance to really get to know each other, and it was such a fun and enjoyable experience. It was just great.
And it's not something we've really done before. We've usually traveled on our own. We've done private tours. This is the first so-called group tour that we've taken, and we didn't really know what to expect. And it turned out that at least this group, I think she was able to put people together that really seemed to share common interests. And I really, give her a shout out on that one, because we had no idea who the people were going to be and whether we would actually develop some kinds of bonds with them, but it was really a great experience.
And I think that because Audrey has such a comprehensive website that really gives you a very good idea of what your experience will be, that you can figure out up front, is this something that you would like to do? And if it's something you would like to do, then the people that do it with you, you already have something in common there.